Hand-washing laundry, linens and fabrics.
Step 1. Prepare the needed materials. Faucet with running water, laundry, detergents, personal protective materials. Hand-washed only clothes, linen or fabric. Wash sink or tub. Step 2. Read the garment label for specific instructions. Step 3. Sorted clothes, linen or fabric according to color, degree of stain, size, and fabric. Step 4. Filled tub or sink with enough water to soak the laundry items. Check for the temperature of the water and wear laundry. Appreciate personal protective materials. Cleaned sink or tub, then prepared a solution in one sink or tub using a light-duty hand wash detergent. Pour the right amount of detergent into the sink or tub with water. Soaked the segregated laundry in the soapy water for 5–10 minutes. Grabbed the items with both hands and started lightly rubbing the linen with other linen parts with hands. Washed the laundry items with no harsh scrubbing or excessive twisting actions. Drained the sink or tub with the right amount of water for rinsing. Pushed the garment up and down in the water until all soap is removed. Rinse the laundry items at least 3 times, every time inspecting for possible remnants of stains or strong soapy odor. Cleaned and returned used materials, then washed hands. For air drying clothes, linens and fabrics. Gathered materials and equipment, newly washed clothes, linens or fabric, towel drying clothesline, hangers and clothes peg, towel dry heavy linens. Then check the care label, turned clothes and other laundry items inside out. Then checked the clothesline for cleanliness. Snapped or shook items briskly in the air to wrinkles less. Hanged clothes, linens, and fabrics correctly. Hanged clothes, linens, and fabrics in the proper area, shaded or exposed. Treated delicate and colored clothes, linens, and fabrics accordingly. Pulled lightly hanged clothes, linens, and fabrics to lessen wrinkles. Then spaced hanged clothes, lines, and fabrics evenly. Thank you, ma'am, and God bless.